Go.
It says live. I think we're good. All right.
Mhm.
So in Connect 4, opposing players place tokens horizontally in a game board. The first player to get 4 in a row vertically, horizontally, or diagonally wins. So now we're going to explain some of the code that we've been working on for this Connect 4 game.
Yeah, what we did for our week 2 group assignment was this Connect 4 file we see right in front of us. That just kind of gives a little outline on the game there. As you can see there, it gives you the option, put in your name, and kind of gives you what you need to do to win. We have the different strings there. We have the get name class as well as just the display help to kind of, I guess, give a welcome to the new players as they start their game. I'd say for the most part that's what we did. And then in week 3 we kind of expounded on that a little more.
In the next week, we made a options menu, which gives us the option of running the program, and if you type in the options key, it brings up more options on top of that, where you can choose things like your color, what player you're going to be, that sort of thing is connected to that, as well as the output and input and functions that are needed for that.
And then this week, we've worked on some more. We have a scoreboard up and running, or at least close to it. And we're using the function, so display scoreboard, and it's calculating various types of data, including doubles and ints or integers. It is performing some mathematical equations to get the final score and evaluate the loss score. So here we can see that 100 minus the total loss will give us the final score. And then the total loss is found by the number of turns that the player has multiplied by the loss value. And then later towards the bottom, we see that we're using a logical operator of greater than or less than to display whether or not they won record time or just won. And yeah, that pretty much sums it up, I suppose.